Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the MacBook Air. The problem is that some of the keyboard keys are not working. Its model number is A1466. Let's fix this. Unscrew the back panel. Remove the back panel. We'll disconnect the battery. After opening all the screws of the battery, take out the battery. Disconnect and unscrew all connectors on the motherboard. Disconnect the network wire. Disconnect all connectors on the motherboard. Take out the motherboard. Remove from both sides of the speaker. Also, take out the backlight. Unscrew all the screws on the keyboard. We'll also remove the keyboard. Clean the frame thoroughly. Install a new keyboard. Put the screws on the keyboard and tighten them. Put the backlight back on. We'll also install speakers. Connect the keyboard connector. Mount the display to the frame. Screw the hinges. Put the motherboard back on the frame and reinstall all the connectors in the battery. You can see I have connected everything. Install the back panel. We'll check the keyboard thoroughly. You can see all the keys are working. That's all for today. We will meet in a new video. Till then, bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.